Halo, assalamualaikum. Uronyo ya meet ya Melangu. Jadi salah tabah sunnah daripada Rasul pernah ada meet Melangu. Empat nyo Mr. Steve bodyguard. Nyo bodyguard lo. Nyo adalah tabah community center. Nyo line up. Ya, belum dia kujak dengan Mr. Steve mana pihak line up. Apa? Steve, let's go here. Berarti ya pernah anak meet ya Melangu. Okey. No Steve Igor dari Rusia. Jadi bodyguard kita yo jadi. Okey. Okey, that's it. Ya pernah Melangu. Jadi kita salah tabah daripada sunnah Rasul. Nampak yo. Igor dari Rusia, yo bodyguard lo. Let's go Igor. Okey. Jadi yo Mr. Igor bodyguard tanya. Okey. Okey. Who's coming? Yeah. After swimming lesson.
Yeah, you put us susah.
Yeah.
I'm asking, it was okay. You like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
This is my bodyguard. Okay, kali ya pernah nak meet saya ya Melangu. Hey Pia.
She's too light.
Hi Pia. You like it? Take this one out.
Beautiful.
Say hello Pia.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Say hello. See? Igor, Russian.
Igor, Assam Sunti. Yeah,
Assam Sunti.
Nazdravie.
My bodyguard.
Давай.
Давай. Okay.
All good?
Good
You
man.
wanna go back?
Let's go home.
No?
Okay, we go home. Let's go. Let's go Igor. Okay.
That's it.
Okay Igor.